ungikhombisa indlela engingayazi. Every night I try to run away, but the feeling always finds my way. Something deeper calling out my name. I can't escape it, I can't explain. There's a fire in my soul, and it won't let go. Ngizifihla emhlabeni wonke, kodwa lapho ngiphupha ebusuku ngiyabona ukuthi angibaleki. I see the signs in everything, in the wind and what it brings. Maybe this is who I am, maybe this was always planned. Badala ba ang